have some orders for you for Mr. Smith over there.
In the previous presentation, we reviewed a lab draw workflow as depicted using a swim lane diagram. That is, with each step of the workflow identified by the individual performing the step. In the swim lane flowchart, processes and decisions are grouped visually by placing them in lanes. Parallel lines divide the chart, creating one lane for each person, group, or sub-process. In this brief presentation, we'll take a look at a more basic type of workflow map. This map shows each step sequentially. Though each type of workflow diagram depicts a process in its entirety, they differ in the way they're organized. In the sequential workflow diagram, each step is placed in the order it needs to be performed, regardless of who's responsible for the task or action. The following is the same lab draw workflow after it's been revised, but outlined in a sequential diagram. First, the medical administrative assistant places the wristband on the patient. The triage nurse transports the patient to a stretcher or an exam room. The physician examines the patient and determines the need for labs. The physician writes orders on a workflow sheet. The nurse places the orders into CPRS. She prints lab labels. The health tech then picks up labels from the printer. He confirms that the patient's identity is correct. Then he draws blood. If the lab draw is successful, he places the unlabeled tubes in the emesis basin, then labels the tubes. Finally, he transports the specimens to the lab for processing.